Hey, what's going on, guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you how do you change Facebook profile picture without losing your likes. So let's start. So first, let's go ahead and open up Facebook and tap on your profile picture in here. Tap on your picture and say select profile picture. So from here, you can scroll to the left and tap on albums. Now here you should choose a photo from your profile pictures folder. So say for example, I want to change my profile picture into this one. So I will just tap on save. So when I tap on this picture and tap on see profile picture, I can see that this still has 56 likes. Now, if I want to go back to my previous profile picture, just tap on it and tap on select profile picture. Scroll to the left and tap on albums. Tap on profile picture and choose the picture that you want to use. So for example, let's use this one. Let's crop it. Like so. So when we tap on it and see profile picture, we could see that we still have 49 likes. So that would be all for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful and thank you for watching. See you next time.